International Center of Savitribai Phule University conducted International Cultural Festival.
Let's go to Group B.
Group B, runners up
Group B.
Cultural festival inaugurated by renowned actor Jitendra Joshi and actress Anita Date.
scorer. Kenneth from Sri Lanka.
On this occasion, Vice Chancellor Dr. Vasudev Gade, Dr. Narendra Kadu, Dr. Vidya Gargote and Dr. Vijay Khare were also present. The students from various countries performed and shown their culture from dance. Vice Chancellor Dr. Vasudev Gade says that the exchange of tradition and culture is main aspect of this kind of festival.
भारतीय कल्चर आणि इतर देशाचं कल्चर हे एकत्र आणलेलं आहे. आपली संस्कृती त्यांच्यापर्यंत पोहोचलेली गेलेली आहे आणि हे या कल्चरल इव्हेंटचं उद्दिष्ट होतं ते साध्य झालेलं आहे. मला अत्यंत आनंद आहे की याच्यामुळं भारताच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना इतर देशाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्याविषयी शिकायला मिळतं आणि इतर विद्यार्थ्यांना भारतीय संस्कृतीविषयी शिकायला मिळते. ही अत्यंत आनंदाची गोष्ट आहे आणि अशाच प्रकारे हे चालू राहिलं पाहिजे असं मला वाटतं.
This kind of festival is really enhance academic as well as administrative capability of the student and faculty, says Dr. Vijay Khare.
Every year we are giving admission more than 2000 students from 100 countries, and to understand their culture, understand their educational tradition, culture, we conduct annual cultural festival. Under that we conducted 3 events. One is a sports, second is a food, and third is a cultural festival. And all this 3 activity comes under the International Youth Festival. Now I am very happy to inform you that this year enthusiastically most of them country participated in cultural activity. Under that they performed their traditional songs as well as Bollywood dance, and they enjoyed a lot. This is a event we organize for student to understand the Indian culture as well as the international culture. This kind of festival is really enhance academic as well as administrative capability among student as well as the faculty, those who are engaged in the international activity.
She